before you view our video, please take a moment to subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to never miss an update from beauty recipes. Take a small piece of cucumber and cut it into small cubes. Then, add 4 to 5 mint leaves, 4 to 5 tulsi leaves, also known as basil leaves, and cucumber cubes. Crush them in a mortar. After that, add 1/2 teaspoon of aloe vera gel to it. Now, take a thin slice of a soap, cut it into cubes, and melt it in a microwave or by using double boiler method. Then, take a clean empty lipstick container, and grease it with a petroleum jelly. Now, add the paste to the melted soap, and mix it well. Fill the lipstick container with it. Place it in a freezer for 2 hours. After couple of hours, remove it from the freezer, and your herbal stick is ready to use. Combination of mint and basil leaves, aloe vera gel and cucumber makes it an excellent stick to remove acne, pimples and other skin infections. Grab your stick and apply it gently on your face. Then wash off with cool water. You can use this daily. Mint is known for its anti-inflammatory properties. Using mint on the skin can help soothe skin irritations. It also helps to soften and calm dry or itchy skin. It hydrates and moisturizes your skin. It is also a great way to remove or lighten pimple marks. Using mint for skin helps in getting rid of blackheads too. Salicylic acid present in mint helps in curing acne. It rejuvenates and refreshes the skin. Basil leaves lightens the appearance of scars and black marks and kills the bacteria that lead to acne. They contain antibacterial and antifungal agents which prevent the outburst of acne and pimples. The antioxidants present in tulsi makes you look younger and fresher. The aloe gel can work wonders on your skin by reducing acne and clearing the blemishes and scars that get left behind. Speeds up the healing process for acne and prevents scarring. Aloe vera is widely used for sunburn because it is soothing and reduces inflammation. I hope you liked the video. If you like this video, then give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching the video.